My name is Sergey Krestov. I'm an automotive photographer. Besides studio shoots, where the camera is on a tripod, there's no rush, and we have a PC at hand. We often shoot in road trips like these, and they are always exciting, but also very dynamic because you are very dependent on the weather. Trying to catch the dawn, chasing the last rays of the sun, running away from the rain. So the speed of operation is key. I figured out pretty quickly that to produce exciting, good quality shots, I needed first, assistance, and second, the best equipment. The 100 megapixel camera GFX100S allows us to print out images for billboards and outdoor advertisements of any format. And the 16-bit high dynamic range allows us to extract details from dark and light areas without compromising quality. I started out with the help of my father, who is a professional photographer, and he only used medium format film. It was mostly slides. So from the very beginning, I saw the quality that the medium format provides, the size of the prints you get, the level of detail. When Fuji GFX came out, I realized the market had changed, and my life had changed dramatically, since I now could shoot dynamic things. I could switch between shot types very fast. Earlier, in order to shoot medium format, you had to have a heavy tripod, because holding a classic medium format camera up for longer than 5 minutes was a challenge. You could maybe manage 10 minutes, but it was a heavy device with very slow autofocus. The new Fuji GFX cameras feature hybrid autofocus. It's always fast and accurate, which allows us to waste no time double-checking the sharpness on PC. We can just go frame by frame, certain that each image is sharp where it needs to be. My tip for beginners would be to build up a story in your shots. Find something that has never been highlighted in this object or in this landscape before. One of the main things in photography is to consider not only the object, but also the story and the light. Then the photograph gains volume. If you want to shoot a particular landscape, don't just take one shot. Make a story of the place. And a story is more exciting than just one shot, and your photographic skills will advance much more if you show a big story from different angles. For me, photography is more than a job. It's creativity. It's self-actualization, searching for a good shot, the moments of sadness, that incredible feeling of joy when you've caught the dawn, or found a new composition, new solution. You're pushing the boundaries. At first, you think you can only do this and that. And then at some point, you step outside the box and realize you've just done something new. This is what photography is to me. It's my life, and it's more than just full frame.